Hello friends, welcome to Learn Maths Online Education Channel. Sat Shri Akal. This is fourth lecture of permutations and combinations. So today we will talk about exercise 7.4 and combinations. So what are combinations? Combinations are basically selections. How can we make different selections? Like if we have three boys B1, B2 and B3, and we want to select a combination of two boys for a particular combination, then in how many ways two boys can be selected from the given three boys, or you can say from the these three boys. Okay, so what will be the combinations? B1, B2, B1, B3, B2, B3. So in this way we have only three combinations. And if we talk about the permutations, because in case of combinations order is not required, or you can say that order does not matter in this case of combination. But in case of permutation means arrangements, when we talk about the arrangement of two boys, that means possible arrangements are B1, B2. B2, B1 is also a different arrangement. But in case of combination, B1, B2, B2, B1 is a same combination. So in case of permutations, order matters, but in case of combination, order does not matter. Further permutations we can calculate, no problem. So we will move towards the exercise 7.4. First of all, before doing questions, we will talk about the formula through which we can find the different combinations, like a formula for finding the number of combinations of n different objects. N different objects taken are at a time denoted by NCR. Number of combinations can be calculated when total number of objects are n and we are taking r at a time, can be calculated with the help of this formula NCR. And NCR is equal to n factorial over r factorial into n minus r factorial, where r is lying between 0 and n. And from this formula a few results are there, standard results. N minus r is always equal to NCR, like 5C2 will be equal to 5C5 minus 2 means 5C3. So we can apply these results in the questions. So next standard result is if NCA is equal to NCB, this implies either A will be equal to B or A is equal to, n is equal to A plus B. Either A will be equal to B or n will be equal to A plus B. In the same way, next standard result is NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to n plus 1 CR. So let us move. Question number 1 is, if NC8 is equal to NC2, then find the NC2. Very interesting. So we just discussed about the result. If NCA is equal to NCB, this implies either A will be equal to B or n is equal to A plus B. So it is very clear from the question that A is not equal to B. 8 is not equal to 2. It means n will be equal to 8 plus 2. N is equal to 10. So now we can calculate the value of NC2, that is 10C2, and by applying the formula NCR is equal to n factorial over r factorial into n minus r factorial. So very easily we can calculate the value of 10C2, 10 factorial over 2 factorial into 10 minus 2 factorial. And you all might be aware that 10 factorial can be written as 10 into 9 into 8 factorial, over 2 factorial can be written as 2 into 1, and 10 minus 2 factorial is 8 factorial, and 8 factorial, these two will be cancelled out, and after the simplification 5 into 9 is equal to 45. So final answer is 45. So next question number 2, we are to calculate the value of n if 2nc3 is equal to nc3 2nc3 ratio nc3 is equal to 12:1. ये हमने इसको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिख लिया है, 2nc3 over nc3 is equal to 12/1, and after applying the formula of NCR is equal to n factorial over r factorial into n minus r factorial. So after the simplification, 2n factorial over 2 r factorial means 3 factorial, 2n minus 3 factorial over n factorial dividing by 3 factorial into n minus 3 factorial is equal to 12/1. By further simplification, we are left with these terms, 2n factorial over 3 factorial into 2n minus 3 factorial. These two terms will be cancelled out, and now in the next step, 2n factorial can be written as 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 into 2n minus 3. Very interesting. Like 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 into 3 factorial, no problem. So in the similar way, we can write 2n factorial as 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 into 2n minus 3 factorial, n minus 3. Next term we have n minus 3 factorial. So n factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial. So now these few terms will be cancelled out, like n minus 3 factorial will cancel out with n minus 3 factorial, 2n minus 3 factorial cancel out with 2n minus 3 factorial, n is cancelled out with n. So we are left with 2 into 2n minus 1 by taking 2 as common. 2 into n minus 1 over n minus 1 into n minus 2 is equal to 12/1. So again n minus 1 will be cancelled out, and we are left with 4 into 2n minus 1 over n minus 2 is equal to 12/1. Alright, then 2n minus 1 will be equal to n minus 2 is equal to 12/4, and after the cancellation we are left with 2n minus 1 is equal to 3n minus 6, and this term will be shifted to the right hand side, 3n minus 2n, and the minus 6 will be shifted to the left hand side, minus 1 plus 6. In this way we got n is equal to 5. So our answer is n is equal to 5. We are to calculate the value of n. So now move towards the question number 3. So how many chords can be drawn through 21 points on a circle? So what is chord? Like we have a given circle, and here we have given different points, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In this way 21 points are there on the boundary of the circle. So what is chord? Just combination of any two points, combination of any 2 points. So in indirect way we are to find the number of combinations of 2 points out of 21 points. So very simple, we can calculate in a very simple way. So total number of chords will be equal to 21C2. I already told about the chord, that chord is just a combination of two different points on the boundary of the circle. So we are to calculate the number of combinations of 2 points out of 21 points, and we are also aware about the formula how to calculate the combinations of out of n objects taken r at a time, that is nc r, and formula is n factorial over n minus r factorial into r factorial. So by applying the same formula here, 21 factorial over 2 factorial into 21 minus 2 factorial, and 21 can be written as 21 into 20 into 19 factorial, and here 2 into 1 into 19 factorial. These two terms will be cancelled out and we are left with 210. So total number of chords can be drawn, total number of chords which can be drawn through the 21 points on the boundary of the circle are 210. Next question. Yes, in how many ways, question number 4, here how many ways can a team of 3 boys and 3 girls be selected from 5 boys and 4 girls? So in how many ways 3 boys can be selected from 5 boys? 3 boys can be selected in how many ways? 5c 3 ways. And 3 girls can be selected in how many ways? Total girls are 3, so it means 3c, sorry, total number of girls are 4, so it means 4c 3 ways, in 4c 3 ways. And by using the fundamental principle of counting, total number of ways in which a team can be selected is equal to 5c3 into 4c3. 5 factorial over 3 factorial into 5 minus 3, 4 factorial over 3 factorial into 4 minus 3 factorial, which is equal to 5 factorial, 5 into 4 into 2 factorial, sorry, 3 factorial, 5 into 4 into 3 factorial over 3 factorial into 2 factorial, 2 into 1 into 4 into 3 factorial over 3 factorial into 1. After the cancellation, 2 to the 4th. So total number of possible ways are 40. Yes, question number 6. Determine the number of 5 card combination out of a deck of 52 cards if there is exactly one ace in each combination. So total number of cards, total cards is equal to 52. Ace, number of ace cards is equal to 4. Remaining cards is equal to 48. So total 5 card combinations are ace can be selected in how many ways? 4c1, and the remaining 4 cards can be selected in 48c 4 ways. So total number of 5 card combinations are 4c1 into 48c 4. 4 factorial over 1 factorial into 4 minus 1 factorial into 48 factorial over 4 factorial into 48 minus 4 factorial. So after the simplification, 4 factorial 4 into 3 factorial over 3 factorial into 48 into 47 into 46 into 44 factorial over 4 into 3 into 2 into 44 factorial. Yes, after the cancellation, 44 can be cancelled with 44 factorial, 3 can be cancelled with 3 factorial. So after simplification, final answer is 7,78,320. Earlier we missed 45. Now I corrected this expansion 48 into 47 into 46 into 45 into 44 factorial. So final answer is 7,78,320. Yes, question number 8. A bag contains 5 black and 6 red balls. Determine the number of ways in which 2 black and 3 red balls can be selected. Very simple. 2 black, total black balls 5, red 6. Now 2 black balls can be selected in 5C2 ways, and 3 red balls can be selected in 2 red balls 3 red balls. In how many ways? 6 C3, because total number of red balls are 6. Total number of ways of selecting 2 black and 3 red balls is equal to 5C2 into 6C3. Now we will simplify. 5 factorial over 2 factorial into 5 minus 2, 3 factorial into 6 factorial over 3 factorial into 6 minus 3, 3 factorial. So 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4, 3 factorial will be cancelled out, 6 into 5 into 4, 3 into 2. In this way 10 into 20, it will be equal to 200. Our answer is 200. Now question number 9. In how many ways can a student choose a program of 5 courses if 9 courses are available and 2 specific courses are compulsory for every student? So यहाँ पर बड़ा सीधा है ये. टोटल कोर्सेज जो है वो 9 अवेलेबल हैं, उसमें 2 कंपलसरी हैं. अब 2 कंपलसरी हैं तो वो तो चूज़ करने ही नहीं है, वो तो सेलेक्ट ही नहीं करने हमें, और टोटल में से भी 2 माइनस हो जाना है. टोटल 9 थे, कंपलसरी कितने हैं? कंपलसरी हमारे पास हैं 2. तो रिमेनिंग कोर्सेज कितने बचे हैं? रिमेनिंग कोर्सेज 7. So now we are to select remaining 3. Total we are to choose 5 courses, 2 are compulsory. So remaining 3 can be chosen from 7 courses. So how many ways 3 courses can be chosen? Number of possible ways to choose remaining 3 courses is equal to remaining courses are 7 C3. 7 factorial over 3 factorial into 7 minus 3 4 factorial, 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial over 3 factorial into 4 factorial. 3 factorial means 6, so it will be cancelled out with 6. So our answer is 35. So in 35 ways a student can choose 3 courses, because total he or she has to choose 5 courses, because 2 specific courses are compulsory. So in other ways we can say that 5 courses can be chosen in 35 ways. थैंक यू वेरी मच. सो एक मिसलेनियस बची है, वो भी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में डिस्कस कर लेंगे, और आपने इसी तरह मेहनत करते रहना है. बहुत इजी चैप्टर है और बहुत ही इजी एक्सरसाइज है. थैंक यू वेरी मच.